Hey everyone, welcome to another session of creating max spoofer in Python 3. So in last session, we actually did create some variables and took the input from the user and then change the MAC address for the specific interface that was provided. But we actually tried to make a code a little bit efficient, but it's still not user friendly because for the command line tools actually use arguments as the input, and that's way more user friendly actually. So right now we're going to use a module named Argparse, which is argument parser, and this is the documentation for the module. And if the module is not installed in your system, you can use this command pip3 install argparse. And in my system, it's already installed, so it doesn't need to install again. So we first need to import the module with the import command, which is argparse, and then we can check the documentation. And we are actually interested in these lines, so we're just going to copy it real quick. And let's comment these variables right for now. Actually, what we did with these, we actually added a hash in front of them so that it can comment the lines. So the comment in the Python is not executed when the interpreter starts interpreting the syntax. So that is very helpful. Like you can write anything here and it won't be executed, but it would stay here until unless like you remove the comment. So that's why comments are sometimes helpful. So we actually copied a code from the documentation of Argparse. Now we can paste it, and we can see here parser. What we are doing is actually we are making a variable parser, and we are using the argparse.argument parser method, and in the description we are providing like let's say simple mac changer. Sorry. And then here we're going to add some arguments, parser.add argument. So first of all, we just don't need these, like we don't need metavar, we don't need type int, these would be normal string, and we don't need all these actually. What we need is first to like specify interfaces. Let's go with -i first, and it would be called as interface as a full form, and we'll be needing another this test equal to accumulate. So we're gonna copy this from there and we're gonna paste it real quick, and over here we just write it as interface. And in the help we're gonna put like the interface. So for the second argument we do the same thing, do a little bit clear all these, like default equals to none. We don't need that. And this, okay. So this would be like mac underscore address, maybe. We can do like new underscore mac, which would be the short form would be -m, and here for the help field we're gonna enter your enter new MAC address. Simple as that. what we're doing, we're creating another variable where we are passing the pass underscore args method. So all the argument will be passed in the args variable. So now if you want to like use the data which is stored in this argument, we just need simply we just need to simply give the following syntax like args underscore args dot interface, and so I'm going to show you how it's going to print args dot umac, and we're gonna comment this out again. Comment this out. Okay, wait a minute. All right. So we're gonna print whatever argument we are providing. So let's run the script, map changer, and when we do map changer task, okay, I didn't save the script. It won't ask. It's actually printing none because we actually didn't provide anything in the arguments. And if we did matchanger.py minus h for the help, we can see usage matchanger.py minus h minus I for the interface and minus m for the new Mac. And as for the description, which we have provided over here, it is showing over here on the top. And optional argument, it is showing minus I for the interface, minus m for the new Mac. So if you provide, let's say minus I ETH0 minus M, it's a 1 2 3 4 sorry 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6, we're gonna see it will gonna respond back with the same results. But we clearly see it's working for us, so we're gonna use these arguments. Use the commands back. So now we're gonna add if args dot interface. If args dot interface is not present, we're just gonna simply print the interface missing. Interface missing. Ls not dot again as new address is missing. Else if the both of them are provided, or we can do one more lf. Let's wait a minute. Let's copy the whole, cut the whole code from here and copy it over here. Lf, the length of args.n is equal to 17. Then call this process. Else just print the normal error statement. So let's hope code works fine now. And you can see it says interface missing. Actually, I have to like delete this print statement so that we won't even see that none again. Just save it real quick. Again, interface missing. So I'll provide my interface, which is ETH0 as a new MAC address is missing. So let me check my MAC address right now, and it is 0011. Okay. So I'll provide the different MAC address. So let's go with 00, 0A, 0B, 0C, 0D, and 0E. And let's see if it works. It shows us some. Okay, yeah, we actually forgot to change our variable because the last variable name was interface, but we actually commented it out, so it won't take any variable. So we have to provide the full name for this, which was args.interface. And now We're gonna copy paste, and for the MAC address, it is args dot new MAC. We're gonna save it now, and we're gonna run it, and let's see if it worked. Yes, it successfully worked. Thank you guys for watching.